Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do your own composting using a large pot. I'm using a pot size 60 centimeter diameter. Start with some garden soil at the bottom with earthworms already inside. If not, you can add some earthworms later. Add green or dry leaves. Green leaves has more nutrient value. Next, add kitchen scrap such as banana peel, fruit peel, and other green waste. Optionally, you can also add more dry leaves. Next, add soft brown cardboard paper. Then add some more garden soil and mix it well. Finally, add some water and add more garden soil on the top and cover the compost to prevent insects and flies from laying eggs. Add red regular earthworms to help speed up the decomposition process. You can repeat this process every 2 to 3 weeks until the pot is full. 2.5 months later, this perfect nutrient-rich homemade compost is ready for use in your garden. This is ready for the vegetable garden. Perfect, nutritious homemade compost. Here's the other pot. Earthworm. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. As always, happy gardening and happy composting.